Boys and girls, Mr. Benson here. Uh, Welcome to video number 2 in my coding series. Now, in this video, we're going to walk things back a little bit. This video is going to be for students who may find Scratch to be a little intimidating, a little daunting. Maybe you want to start off a little slower. Maybe this is your first time playing around with code. Or maybe you're a younger student in a lower grade that wants to give coding a shot. This video is going to be for you. We're going to be looking at a different website, one that's called code.org. And while code.org does have activities that are definitely more challenging, there are areas of code.org that start us off very slow, and it's a great way to introduce yourself to the world of coding. Okay, so with it being web-based, we're just going to go ahead and click on a web browser. And we're going to navigate to code.org. And just like Scratch, I would highly recommend that you create a user account. There's a couple ways to do this here. You can use a Google account, a Facebook account, a Microsoft account, or you can create a username and password that's specific to the code site. Okay. After you've done that, we're going to go to this section up here that says Learn. All right, and we'll scroll down a bit. And we're going to click in this section here, Grades K through 5. We'll go ahead and click Learn More. And we are going to scroll down to Course A. This is the easiest place to start if you're new to code. Okay. So we'll click there. And anytime you see an unplugged activity, these are videos for you to watch. Now the nice thing about this is it's sequenced very well. We can, it starts us off slow here with these very simple practice sessions where it's just dealing with dragging and dropping. We've got another video here, and the nice thing about code.org is anytime you graduate, if you will, to a new activity or a new skill, they'll always have a video that explains things very well, which is also nice about code.org. It's meant to sort of be self-guiding. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at drag and drop, just so you get an idea of what the workspace looks like. And up here, we're always going to have instructions. This is very simple. It says click the block. We'll click OK and click the block. Okay, and if you're going to continue on to lesson number 2, you'll go ahead and hit continue here. But I'm going to go back. Okay, and these do get more and more difficult, and that's the case with all of these activities here. We'll look at the last one, see what that looks like. All right, put these blocks in order by number. So easily we'll pull up 1, we'll snap 2 on there, and snap the 3rd. Okay, so that starts us off very slowly. Then we'll get into these maze-like activities. I'm going to skip the video just so you can see what this looks like. We'll just do number 2. Okay, it says to get Scrat to the acorn, snap the E or right arrow block to the bottom of the block or the when run block, then press run. We'll click OK here. We'll click this X. And we're simply just going to grab this, click it to our when run button, and what this should do is he should just move over 1 space. Just like that. Okay, let's go ahead and we'll look at something more difficult in that same series. And here it says we need to, well, try this one all by yourself. So we need to move him over 2 spaces. Now you might think that we could just hit this or press that there and he'll just continue to go left until he gets to the acorn, but that's not the case with computer programming. We need to be very specific in our instructions. So in this case, we actually have to move over 2 blocks. So we have to tell him that he needs to move left twice. Okay, we can hit run here. And he gets to the acorn. Okay, so this, I'm going to stop there. We'll keep this one short. But this is a great way for you to work your way through coding activities get your feet wet, and maybe you'll build up a little more confidence to try something a little bit more complex like Scratch. All right, have fun with this. Until next time, we'll see you soon.